Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I am here today to share with you my sparkly cupcake doily book that I did on my live, I guess a week ago now, with Amy Love. We came on live and did a bit of crafting, and we had a good time, and thank you to all of those who showed up. I really appreciate it. But I wanted to share with you the finished product and give you kind of a look at what it is and how we did it, and it's very sparkly, as you can see, and I love it. I'm just so in love with this pink tulle trim with the gold stars that's in my shop now. It looks great on everything, but it just picks up the sparkle. And of course it has this big stick pin here that I was debating on putting on the front cover, but Amy said no, put it on. So it's kind of like a pink disco ball. It's very, very sparkly. And then, of course, we have the bling. And then I have a bulb pin, which also is in my shop, with the pink hearts and these little sort of bead with the rondelle on them. These are currently out of stock, but I will be getting them back in. The little rhinestone, pink rhinestone hearts, they're in the shop now. You can get those, as are these crowns. They're also in the shop. I used one of the new appliques from the store right here, and I layered it up. And then I had this piece in my stash, and it was just a pink rose cameo on a kind of a bronze metal piece. But I took some of the Aurora Borealis rhinestone cup chain from the store, and I went around it, and it really, I think, made a difference. It looks so pretty. And of course, I tied it with some pink tulle from my stash and a little tassel that I had in my stash as well. So it's very fluffy, very sparkly, and of course I made a bow with the lace here that you can see, just some laces from my stash. So that is the front cover. So sparkly. I love it. So let's open up the inside. And on this page, I went around with this lace from my stash and this lace from my stash. It's just a pink flat lace that I gathered. And then I used one of the cabochons from the store, the white bows from the store. Just some snippets behind it, again with the rhinestone cup chain from the shop that I put around it. And then I used these really pretty dusty pink ribbon roses going all the way around the page. And I didn't use images in this. I used bling and cabochons, and I think it looks really cute this way. Something a little different. Yeah, and there's a doily under here too, and that's from the mixed doily set that's in the store, the crochet doily set. So that's that page. And then this page, I used the white polka dot tulle trim from the shop, and I went around it with this lace, which was from my stash. It kind of has a bit of dangle on it, and it has these white flowers on it. And then I took the white ribbon roses from the shop and went around every one of the flowers and put a white ribbon rose in it. And then of course I used the pink bows from the store as well. So fairly simple. Underneath that there's another lace from the shop there. And these are all on doilies from the mixed doily crocheted set in the store. So that's what I used for the base of the book. And then this beautiful flower bling is also in the shop. It has these beautiful iridescent petals and then the lovely bling in the middle. So that's that page. And then to this page, I use this lace from my stash. This pink trim was in the store. It's currently sold out. And then I used that big applique again, which you kind of can't see, but that's it there. And it's in the shop. You'll see it. It's a big Venice water lily. It's called Venice water lily applique. And you get like 4 flowers on it, and I cut that all up. This was the big piece, and I kept the 2 leaves on it. And then I took one of the other new appliques that come in a set of 2, the little white rose appliques, and I cut that up and used the little roses and the leaves. And then this beautiful cabochon from the store of this beautiful lady. And then this was a dangle in the store, which is currently sold out, but I am getting it back in. And I just used a little piece of dangle there. I didn't think it needed much. And again, this pink trim that was in the store, it's currently sold out, but that'll be coming back. And then the ribbon roses. And then this bling is also in the store right now too, I believe. That might be sold out. But there's other bling in the store. But that was in the shop. So that's that page. And then this page, I use this gorgeous embroidered mesh lace from the shop, and it's one of my favorites. I just love it. It's so soft but dimensional at the same time. It's so pretty. I just love it. The pink lace, this was from my stash, and then all these doilies are from the mixed doily crochet set, the hand crocheted set in the shop. All of them are different size doilies from the different packs, and then the little flowers, and then the tiny one, and then the bling is also from the shop. And then I just used some ribbon, lace from my stash, just thin little lace pieces here from my stash, and I just put them underneath the flower for a bit of dimension and dangle there. So that's that page. They look super pretty together. And then the back, I had this flower in my stash that I've been saving for something, so I used it on here. It's got pink ribbon and these beautiful beads, and then beads in the center. It's kind of like an organza flower. And then underneath that is another piece from my stash, a little organza flower. There's that pink trim again from the shop, and then the beautiful sparkly pink with gold stars tulle trim on the outside. So that is the back page. Oh, we're stuck. Okay, yep, so that's the back page. So I'll just go through it one more time for you so you can see all the details. Oh, this also has some beautiful bling under here that Amy Love sent me in a swap that we did. So thank you for that, Amy. I forgot to point that out. It's beautiful. It's rhinestones and pearls. So that's for my stash, and a bit of bridal applique too on the front page. And then there's those two pages. And then these two pages, which I love. And then the back page with the beautiful flower. So I just love this trim. It's so pretty. Anyway, that is my project for today, guys. I hope you like it. This is going to be in my Etsy, and the link to my Etsy is down below. If you are interested in purchasing it, go over to my Etsy and it will be there for you. And that's kind of it for right now, I guess. And I will see you guys on the next video. Take care, everyone.